Oh, hello guys. Okay, so today's video, pupunta lang kami sa birthday ng aking kaibigan. Shout out Dayan girl, happy big 5. Ay. Happy birthday! So i-drop muna namin tong dalawa kina Jen bago magdi-dinner. Alright. Saan ba ang mukha natin dito? Naku, against the light man. Ay, sige na. Yun lang muna ha, for now. Entering Venetia. Beautiful here. It's my first time here, guys. Yeah, it's my first time here.
Okay. This wonton with the cheese is good. Come on. Okay.
No, I just get the foods. Yeah.
Guys that were like at the beginning of the road that we're pulling into, they're like looking at us like, you guys should be down this road. There could be some rebels or somebody down here.
Guys, my business meeting.
How did you get here? Because
The food is gone.
there is a road there.
Yeah, sa dami. Yan na lang natira, guys.
Long. It's
Was that Google? Was that Google Maps or what?
I don't think we had a signal.
No, it's a Google.
Okay guys, ito pala yung downtown Venetia. Now we're heading to the bar area. We just had dinner. Wow, may Christmas lights na sila. There. So they're going that way, guys. So dadalhin ko kayo doon para makisayaw tayo. Ah, ito? Ito yung kutsi niya? Oh, nice. Rose new car, Dad. Rose new car. Oh, maybe no seats available. Ay, walang seat. Walang available? Ah, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, that's fine.
I don't know with them.
You want to walk around?
Yeah, we can walk around.
Or you can sit here first if you like.
Yeah. Walang upuan, guys. So maghanap-hanap muna kami ng mauupuan. Baka may ibang maupuan doon na bar. Yan yung birthday girl, oh.